we will make a little pause. Actually, I'm going to play with another guy here. I know this George. Some of you I know by their nickname. We have the exchange Caro-Kann. This is a nice move. Andoni, you see he's played very nicely there. Yeah, we can play Andoni. Let's play two games with this person, and then we can play together. This is a very nice structure. Actually, I'm stopping this one, and again he played Antoni's mistake. If very firmly hearing that comments with 2 means delay. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. And usually here I just capture that knight. Usually some days I go, but I saw. What is this move actually? I can understand this one. I'm threatening the pawn. I can understand bishop to g5 because I didn't develop my knight yet. Alright. And my idea here, usually I use to capture that knight, but maybe it's even better to exchange this bishop, because this bishop is extremely strong. Extremely strong bishop. Now we have some ideas. One of them is this. Let's try to exchange the bishops, and then I can capture with the knight, and I will fight for that square on f4. Okay, Caro-Kann is a difficult opening. It's not so easy to play the Caro-Kann actually with the white pieces. I mean, how you should play with the white pieces. You have a lot of options, but it's not extremely easy. It's not very straightforward. We need to understand a lot of ideas. What could be my plan here? Maybe I can play something like this, so the bishop has to decide where the bishop will go, and now I can go there, attacking the queen. This one idea, and I think this is good idea, attacking the queen, and step by step my other knight can go there or can go in that way, right? Maybe I can play g4, because after this he can take the knight. So let's keep the knights on the board, and after this I can go here. Of course he's not going to take this one, I guess. And now I have some threats. Knight f5 is a very strong threat, and you can see he has the rook, he has the queen there in the e file, but he cannot really create any attack in this way, because I just managed to exchange his light square bishop, and now things are not so clean. Not so clean. This one fighting for that square, this is nice. After this I'm threatening the queen, and something here, something. I have very nice activity in the king side. Now I need to think. Maybe I can play this and a5. Maybe I can go a5 instantly. Or maybe I should play something else. Take, push. Try to push instantly. She can take. My queen is not very nice piece there. I have some activity, but okay, let's go here, because I'm hesitating. Okay, maybe I'm going to play this in order to stop this idea in any case, because even with a pawn sacrifice he will have this square, and I don't really like it. Now he went there. Why? I can understand this. To give a check. This is the idea, to give a check. Let's stop this check. Oh, he's threatening the knight, by the way. He don't like to give the check. He's threatening the knight. And I'm going to play here with my king to protect my knight. Very tricky move. You see, always you should ask yourself what he's threatening. What he's threatening. You should ask about that. Very important. I'd like to go there. Here, and if you just take this, I can grab it. But it's not 100% clean. So let me make a regroup right now. How to make a regroup? I'm going to play this move. What is this knight here? He has some ideas actually. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake. Zadub. Zadoub, as one of my friends used to say. Zadoub, when he played a bad move. This is it, your idea? You would like to play there? Really? Oof, he's playing very nice chess. Okay, try to develop this one. He's waiting, I'm waiting to do something about that pawn. Very strong game, this one. It's funny. Oh, wait a minute, because he's attacking me. I'm going to take. He has a weak pawn, but I'm not sure that we can do a lot of things about this. Maybe I can go here. I'm threatening to take in the right moment, and actually I'm threatening to take like this. So, wow, this is a rook actually, so let's take the rook. Let's accept the gifts, why not? Some people are generous, so we can accept the gifts. I'd like to kick this away in order to capture this juicer. A very difficult game, this one. I think George is the name of the player, and he played very, very nicely. Till now, he just misplayed something. Now let's try to attack simultaneous two things. Here, I think, because I'm threatening that one. Knight there, maybe f6. No, knight there is not working because I can take the pawn. I can take the pawn. I can take this pawn, and I'm going to take this one. I can take the knight. I'm capturing everything. He just he played a very nice game, but suddenly he misplaced a lot of things. It wasn't time pressure, but all right, very cool. He played very nicely. You played very nicely there. And I don't know why you have only 800 elo points. It's incredible. And right now you went here. First of all, I should ask, what are you threatening? You're threatening nothing, but after this, it's another tactic. You need more work on tactics actually, because I just captured a lot of material there thanks to tactics. Unfortunately, it was a nice game. It was funny because your video has 2 minutes delay from the game. Yeah, unfortunately this is true. I don't know how to fix this one. So I was always interested in your thought, but I'm sorry about this. I'm going to upload this one on YouTube as well, so you can see this later. Yeah, we cannot really fix the delay actually. We made some changes on I'm thinking and I'm playing. I need to play here. On resolution, how clear the board is. This is not good actually. He's playing stupid moves right now. This is not Benko, because I played he would like to transpose to the Benko, and he would like me to play this line, the open Benko. Okay. Okay. Let's play this. I'm waiting him to capture, but he's not capturing anything there. Benko is always we should be careful how we play the Benko. And I don't remember the theory 100% here. Now maybe I'm going to play this prophylactic move. Okay, this one. I'm going to exchange the bishop. I'm going here. And I think I have lovely position. Maybe this, maybe that. And this is a mistake actually, because I want the tempo. Why you played like this? I think this is a mistake. Queen b4 is interesting. Yeah, again, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'm going to blunder something here. Yeah, in Benko you have so amazing game and so amazing position, and at some point you can blunder anything out of nowhere. I need to do something like this and this, I don't know, maybe overprotect everything first of all. I don't feel 100% sure. I don't understand this move. He would like to capture here with a bishop. This is the idea. So, can I play that? E5 looks the best here. He can take with a pawn. I'm going to take with a knight. He can take, and I'm losing material. Oof. I'm going to play that actually to close his pieces. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not. George here, I don't know why George has this rating actually. He's playing much better than this. Now I can go forward, I guess, because I'm protecting everything. And after this, my knight can land here. Okay, at least we have the same pieces. No, I cannot go forward. But this rook is hanging. Why this rook is hanging? Now, because I just captured there. He just forget about that. George here is playing very, very nice games, but he's just creating some tactical blunders. And he needs to fix this one. He needs to make more tactics. It's not so easy to improve your tactics. It's required a lot of time actually, but you should care about the entire board and you should play slow games. Alright, who is next? Who would like to play next after that game? We can play another game. I can kick him away in order to catch that pawn, but I prefer to keep everything intact here. Keep everything. Because he is threatening, actually, he played this move before, but he can take this pawn actually, because if I take there, the queen can take the rook. So I'm going to overprotect my pieces. He had this tactic, he lost this opportunity. Right now it's not the same, because I'm protecting the rook. And he just blundered everything. Why you played the move e4? Obviously, after e4, I'm not going to take the knight, I can play something else. But you missed something. Okay, let's protect everything, and then I'm going to start pushing my pawn. Okay, you just made some blunders with the pawns actually. I'm sorry about that. It was a nice game. You played very nicely. Yeah, I'm going to play there. Again, it's not 100% clean. Maybe something like this to give a check there. So after queen c7, maybe I have to... he's playing what I'm saying. Whoa. Oh, I was planning to take here, and after this... he cannot give the check actually, so this is okay. This is okay, I guess, because I'm protecting this square. Bengo, we have so many crazy tactics on Bengo, so many crazy tactics. Yeah, I have more material, but still I'm a little scared actually. A little scared because it's not over yet. Now he's threatening that one. I need to protect it, I guess. I'm protecting that pawn. We need to react to his threats. And if the threat stopped, then I can start pushing forward. Now he is not threatening. He's not threatening anything. I'm going to exchange one of his active pieces. Because exchanging active pieces is more important. I'd like to secure first of all my king. And then we're going to see. Who is next? Who would like to play next? Yeah, we cannot protect everything. Maybe I can take that one. And now I'm thinking. I cannot really create an attack there. Maybe I'm going to play something like bishop to... Oops, wrong arrow. Something like this to exchange more pieces. Because as much pieces as we exchange, as easier is for me to continue the game, right? He don't care about anything. Right now I can continue taking, and I'm threatening a check actually. So finally he just captured this one, and I have that move, try to exchange his last defender, the dark square bishop. Yeah, I don't care about this. Give a check here, because after this he has to take like this, and I give my first check after the move 32. Yeah, so crazy. Bengo is crazy. Okay, let's take the bishop, and then I'm going to play this. I'm not sure if he has any checks. Okay, let's take this pawn. Yeah, because I'm protecting everything, and let's make it 100% sure. Let's make it professionally right now, because I don't like the tricks. I don't like to allow him do any tricks. Knight g4 had the idea. Knight g4 had the idea to give this check on that square, on e6, create the fork, but we shall not do these things. Now I have a fork like this. Okay. Yeah, you lost some tactics, but you played a very nice game, actually. Very, very nice game. Alright. This is a pre-move, I guess, in any case, but...
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.